Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory's Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another stitch combination stitch tutorial that you could use for blankets, scarves, lacy baby blankets, rectangular wraps, any project that you really want. I'll show you how to crochet this and you can make it in any size that you wish. The only stitches that you need to know are single crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet, and chains. And this pattern is a 4-row repeat, and if you need the timestamps for any particular row, they'll be in the description box below, where you can jump to any row without having to sift through the entire video. Also, the written instructions will be in the description box below, along with instructions on how to speed up or slow down a video if I ever go too fast or too slow for you. So this is the front. This is the back. And this is the pattern if you were to turn it on its side. Say for instance you wanted a rectangular wrap to go across your back. The pattern would look like this. And for this stitch tutorial, I'm using Yarn Bee Soft Secret in pink. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And I got this at Hobby Lobby. I'm also using an H8 5mm crochet hook, and a list of all the supplies are in the description box as well. So let's get started. To begin this project, you need a starting chain with a multiple of 8 plus 2. And this is a 4-row repeat. So to start, we're going to have a chain of 26 because I'm just going to make a small swatch so you can see how the stitches are done. Alright, so for row 1, in the second chain from the hook, single crochet, skip 3 chains, and in the next chain you're going to crochet 3 double crochets, a chain 1, and 3 double crochets all in the same chain. One, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 double crochets, a chain 1, 3 double crochets all in the same chain. Then you will skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, single crochet. Now we will begin our repeat. Skip 3 chains, in the next chain 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain, one more time, skip 3 chains, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain, chain 1, skip 3 chains, and in the last chain, single crochet. And that is it for row 1. For row 2, chain 6, turn your work. Now this counts as a triple crochet and a chain 3. You're going to skip these 3 stitches, and we're going to work into the chain 1 space. And in the chain 1 space, we need to work a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Chain 2, single crochet. Chain 3. We're going to skip these 3 stitches, and in the single crochet from the previous row, we're going to work a triple crochet. So for a triple crochet, you need to yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 more loops, yarn over and draw through the last 2 loops. And that is a triple crochet. Chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, and in the chain 1 space, we work single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, work a triple crochet right here, yarn over twice, draw through 2 loops, draw through 2 loops again, and draw through 2 loops one more time. Chain 3, skip the 3 stitches, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And for the last part, chain 3, skip the 3 stitches and work a triple crochet in the last stitch. That is row 2. For row 3, you'll chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Turn your work, and in this very first stitch, you're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now you skip the chain 3 space, and in the chain 2 space, right here, single crochet. Skip the chain 3 space. Now we're going to work another one of these groups in the top of this triple crochet from the previous row. So 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the chain 2 space, skip the chain 3 space, and work another grouping in the top of this next stitch of 3 double crochets and chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the chain 2 space. And when you get to the end here, remember this was a chain 6. In the chain 3 from the bottom, you're going to work 4 double crochets. and that is row 3. For row 4, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3. You're going to skip these 3 stitches and work a triple crochet in this next stitch. Chain 3, and we're going to skip 3 stitches, and in the chain 1 space we're going to single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the same space. Chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 2 space, or chain 1 space, sorry. Chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip these 3 stitches, and in the top of this chain 3 turning chain, single crochet. That is row 4. This is the back. This is the front. We have one more row to go. Chain 1, turn your work. For row 5, you'll single crochet in the first stitch, skip the chain 3 space, and now we're going to be working our shell pattern again with 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. See, the patterns will be staggered. That's why it's a 4-row repeat instead of a 2-row repeat. So skip the chain 3 space, work a single crochet in the chain 2 space, skip the chain 3 space and work another shell pattern, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the chain 2 space, skip the chain 3 space, three double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, skip the chain 3 space, and in the very last stitch 1 single crochet. And that is it for row 5 and our pattern. To complete the pattern, you just repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 until it was your desired length. And you will get this lacy, lightweight, beautiful design for whatever project you choose to make. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.